there, Asphalt community. So for today's video, I will show you how to create a chatbot for this catering business. I actually got this idea after talking to a friend who is also a catering business owner, and they mentioned that they keep getting repetitive questions regarding pricing, packages, availability, and most of their staff's free time goes there. And it seems like with just the website, there are a lot of website viewers, but there are not much engagement as that's what they are when checking their website's data insights. So we will be creating a chatbot, an interactive chatbot for this website, and I'll show you how easy it is to do using Aspot AI. Okay, so first things first, let's go inside Aspot and start to create the chatbots. So once you get the chatbot all set up, you can even set it or mark it as your template for creating future bots for potential catering business clients. So you can offer it to other businesses too once you've got one set up and ready. So let's just say that this is for Catering, Concierge, and chatbot type is question and answer. So let's hit create. All right, so now let's go inside our chatbot. And over here, we'll just add at least one resource before we can see the chatbot. So the good thing here is they already have a website. So I just need to add their webpage link. So let me just get the link for this website. Now let's add this to our sources. Okay. Next is let's add a few Q&As in here. So first is the cities do you cater to? Notice that this is mostly what their clients was asking. Let's add that. Now let's add another one. What can I customize? A catering package. Yep. Packages are fully customizable. And what else? Maybe let's ask. They also offer styling. And add that. Now let's see, how do I inquire or book? So over here, let's just say and then let's add an inquire now button. And then we need to set up the flow for this button title right here. So let me just get that. There we go. Let me just find my flow for this. Okay, this one, free consultation flow, and add that. Okay, so we've added a few resources already in here. The next thing that we will do is go to settings. Now for the logo, maybe let's change that a little bit. So let's change it to this one, I think. There we go. Display name. Let's just say that it's this one. And our call to action will be to ask me anything. Okay. And as for our initial greeting, let's add this. Later on, we'll add a few channels to that. Next, let's go to customization. So here's how it looks like right now. When customizing a chatbot, I like to make the colors or the branding similar to their website. So we will do that for this. We will add a custom theme for their website and we'll get the colors that they used here. So I'll be using a color picker for Chrome. Then I'm going to pick a color and I'm going to copy that. Okay, so that's better. Next, for the primary background color, let's use this. Here's the color that we'll be using. There you go. All right. Next, maybe let's change the header button background color. similar. Oh, I think that's black. They use black for that. Okay. Then turn this to black, and there you go. Now create the theme and select that. Okay, so now as you can see, the colors look a little bit similar to their website branding. All right. Next thing that we will add in here, oh, let's make this chatbot size a little larger. We want to make it visible. And we want the chatbot to show right after 5 seconds the website was open. Okay. Let's go ahead and change our system prompt. So basically, we will tell the chatbot that it should be helpful, warm, detail-oriented, and it should be able to answer questions about the catering packages. And we will keep this to OpenAI. The next step is to add our channels. Okay, and add a channel. So I think first thing that I will add is a question channel, showing areas we serve and create. Next also is to check some styling options. Add that channel, and I am adding it as a question channel. Let's save and see how it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. And since we've got the channels added, now let's do a live demo and see how it looks like on their website. So we will use the iframe mode for that. So over here on demo, and then on the site URL, just paste the link of their website right here. So let me just get that, and right here. Now just click on view demo, and you'll see the chatbot live on their website as an iframe overlay, so there's no need to code. Okay, so now let's try testing the chatbot. Let's try areas we serve. Okay, said they work in Metro Manila. Okay, so that seems right, exactly what they have. Next, let's do the inquire now. Okay, so that redirects us to the inquire now page. So now we can ask anything we want to the AI. Let's just say, how do I customize the catering package? Something like that. Okay. All right, so I think it was able to answer exactly as we wanted. So that's it. If you've got any questions this, feel free to send it to support@askbot.ai. Thank you so much.